Today, we have an airsoft gun with us. Let's take some bullets and load them into the clip. We load the gun and shoot the first target in the face of a Kinder Surprise. Shot! It looked a little weak, however, the foil crumbled and there was a crater on the egg. Let's try without foil. Nothing much has changed. There is exactly the same crater. Now, let's take a corn stick, fix it as a target, 2 shots, 2 through holes. What about a plastic container? Easy penetration. Let's try another container. The gun barely managed to create a crack in it. Let's shoot the business card. No problem. And the plastic one? Not a hole, but it's cracked. Now, let's check with the CD. We aim the gun and make a shot, followed by another and another. The disc split, though only on the 3rd attempt. Next up is a ping pong ball. We clamp it in a vise and load the gun. 2 shots and he just slipped out of the vise. Apparently, it is stronger than it seems. And if you put a walnut in its place, we shoot closely and it immediately breaks through the shell. How do you like our way of peeling nuts? Now we need kinetic sand. We make a small stable tower out of it. We shoot, and the bullets just bounce off. Let's make the sand a little thinner. Now, at least they got stuck in the sand while our tower collapses. The next target is a juice bag. We aim a shot and nothing. Another one and nothing happened again. But the 3rd time, we punch the Tetra Pak and the juice begins to flow out. It seems the package is seriously injured. And what will happen to a can of shaving foam? We will shoot it closely for more strength. Dents remain, we continue. We fired a whole clip, but apart from small dents, no result. It's time to take a bigger target. Let's install watermelon on a stump and point a gun at it. Start shooting. Bullets enter the peel and even get stuck in it. But you need to keep shooting. We're on the right track. It seems that the pulp is already visible. Let's remove the stuck pellets, and seems we were really able to break through the peel. It even has juice flowing out of it, but it took a lot of shots. And now, let's light a candle with the match and try to extinguish the fire with the shot. The main thing is to aim. Bam! The candle went out. And if there were 2 of them, aim, pull the trigger, and bam! Both candles went out. It turns out that the airsoft gun can be used for such a trick.